It's now time for Honk the car, Toot the boat, and Swoswoosh the helicopter in another of their happy adventures. It's a lovely day in Springland. Morning, birds. Morning, Wally the whale. Morning, fool. Swoswoosh the helicopter has a new harness. It is used for lifting things up into the air. Hey, there's Honk the car. Today, Swoswoosh wants to take Honk flying. Come on, Honk! I'll give you the first airlift in my new harness, calls Swoswoosh. Poor Honk is scared, but he doesn't want to tell anybody. Not today, thanks, says Honk. Not today, calls Honk. Poor Swoswoosh thinks Honk is mad with him.
Maybe Honk isn't feeling well today.
Bleats Lolly the lamb. Phew, Honk is very glad that Swoswoosh has flown away.
Flying must be such fun,
says Torty Turtle, giving Honk a big fright. There's Toot the boat. I don't think Honk wants to be my friend anymore, Toot, says an unhappy Swoswoosh. Honk doesn't want Swoswoosh to ask him to fly again. Honk explains to Toot that he is afraid of heights and gets very dizzy if he goes too high. Swoswoosh is my best friend. How am I going to tell him I don't want to have an airlift? Asks Honk. I'm a car, not a bird. I like staying on the ground. There's only one thing to do, Honk, explains Toot. You must tell Swoswoosh the truth. But Toot, says Honk, then everybody will think I'm a scaredy cat and they will laugh at me. No, Honk. There's nothing wrong with telling someone you're afraid of something, explains Toot. Are you still mad with me, Honk? Asked Swoswoosh. I wasn't mad with you. I was just too shy to tell you I'm scared of flying, explains Honk. Oh, I'm sorry, Honk. I didn't know you were afraid of heights, says Swoswoosh. Hey, I'm scared of some things too, like falling into the water, admits Swoswoosh.
Please, can I have a ride?
Asked Torty Turtle. At last, Honk was happy again. Have fun, everybody. Bye-bye, Honk. Bye-bye, Toot. Bye, Swoswoosh. See you next time. It's a lovely day in Springland. Morning, Honk. You're up early. Morning, birds. Footprints, thinks Honk. But who do they belong to? Maybe Swoswoosh the helicopter knows. Morning, Swoswoosh. Look at these footprints. Animal footprints. But what made them? Asks Swoswoosh. Let's find out, says Honk. Let's play Inspector Detective. Yippee! Come along, you lot. We need to check your footprints. These footprints are not the same, says Honk.
Can we go now?
Bleats Sheep. You're free to go, says Swoswoosh. If we follow this trail, says Honk, we will find where the animal lives. Stop right there, shouts Swoswoosh. And where do you think you're going?
Nowhere.
Says Floppy.
Somewhere.
Says Fluffy. Could we please check your footprints? Calls Honk. So what do you think, Detective Honk? Asks Swoswoosh. I'm not so sure, Inspector Swoswoosh, says Honk. Okay, you're free to go, says Swoswoosh. Stop! Shouts Honk in his biggest voice. Please stop. We need to check your footprint, says Swoswoosh. How could you think those ridiculous footprints are mine? Complains Pig. I have the most beautiful feet in the whole wide world. Oh no, cries Swoswoosh. Our animal's fallen in the water. That's terrible, says Honk. Come quick, Toot, shouts Honk. Our animal needs rescuing. It might drown, adds Swoswoosh. I don't think this animal needs rescuing, chuckles Toot. You've got funny feet, says Honk. Funny feet? No way, says Frog. My feet are made for swimming and jumping. Yes, says Swoswoosh proudly. A perfect match. We have been following Frog's footprints. Frogs can live on land and water, adds Honk. You're both very good detectives, laughs Toot. Have fun, everybody. It's a lovely day in Springland. Morning full, morning flowers, morning bee. There's Honk the car. He's very excited. The Silver Arrow, the fastest train in the world, is driving through Springland today. Here's Toot the boat. "Morning, Toot," says an out-of-breath Honk.
Why are you in such a big hurry, Honk?
"The Silver Arrow is passing through Springland," says Honk. "At 1 o'clock today, it will ride over the bridge." Honk is in a big hurry to tell everyone in Springland about the Silver Arrow.
Honk, you forgot to fill your tank,
calls Toot. "I have enough fuel in my petrol tank." Toot always starts every day with a nice full tank of fuel. Oh dear, Honk was wrong. His tank is nearly empty. "Morning, Mrs. Cow. Don't forget the Silver Arrow at lunchtime today," calls Honk.
Hush, Foal is drinking her water.
Whispers Mother Horse. "Don't forget the Silver Arrow," whispers Honk back. All the animals in Springland know that it's best to start the day with a tummy filled with yummy food. Honk has told everyone in Springland to go to the bridge. "What's wrong, Honk?" calls Swoswoosh. "I can't move. I'm out of petrol," shouts Honk. "Oh no, I'm going to miss seeing the Silver Arrow." Poor Honk. He told everybody to come and see the train, and now he is stuck under the bridge. "I got you some petrol, Honk." Honk was so happy. His best friend Swoswoosh had come to the rescue. "Hurry up, Honk," calls Swoswoosh. "Here comes the Silver Arrow." "Wasn't that the coolest train in the whole world?" says Swoswoosh. "The Silver Arrow is the best," says Honk. "But you know what's even better, Swoswoosh? You are the best friend in the whole world." "Yes, I know," sighs Swoswoosh. At last, Honk has a full tank. Now he can enjoy his day and be a busy little car again. Have fun, everybody. Bye-bye, Honk. Bye-bye, Toot. Bye, Swoswoosh. See you next time.